Testing 1 2. All right. Okay. All right, we live now. Had to make sure everything was good. Been a while since I did this, so a lot of progress have been made on this app. So let's see, and add categories, delete transactions. Okay, that's not correct. Delete transaction is not leaving here, so we got to fix that. Go to budget. Take that away. Yep. And we need to find category. Okay. Don't need that yet. Maybe this is shown set. Some set is delete categories. All right, and what we need to do is basically so we got transactions, delete transactions. See how that isn't leaving. If I refresh, then it's back up. So add transactions, we can add transactions now. So I say Walmart, and I say the category was groceries, and I spent $100 there. If I hit submit, cool thing about that is I got the $100 transaction, and this right here, see, groceries goes up, so these categories here work, so that's a good thing. But we need, and we can delete those. So we got Walmart here. Let's delete that Walmart transaction. So the Walmart transaction is deleted. I will say it doesn't refresh this category, so we got to look at that too. Got to fix that, but it does delete it from this list. This right here isn't refreshing, so I had to figure out how to fix that. But the concern today is getting this delete categories to work. So add categories works. So if I want to add a category for bills, let's just say bills, and the limit for bills is $200, and bills is right here, so bills is there. Okay, so let's go to the code and let's split these screens so I can see there. Okay, everything looks good. All right, give me 1 second. Okay. Oh, I left that little dot right there for some reason. Refresh quick. Okay. Everything looks good. And go to budget. Okay, perfect. And we gotta change this. Kind of roll it out just a little bit more. Okay. Right. Handle delete category. Okay, right here. Unclick handle delete category. Change that for a second. E. And then on console.log, there's something random. And inspect. Let's go console. And put that it down. Make this full screen for a second. Right here. All right, perfect. Okay, what we can do from here is go back categories, click this button. Let me do it like this. I got way more screen real estate. That's crazy wide. Anyway, console, hi, okay, that works. Right. So now I gotta figure out why. Refresh. X out of that. There we go. Okay. So let me put handle delete category back in. So what does handle delete category actually does? So it set is delete category to true, and it set is shown to true. Handle delete category. So is shown and is delete category. Okay, delete transactions pop up. So we got to change this. It shouldn't say delete transactions. It should say delete categories. So we made the delete categories. What did I name it? Delete category with a Y. I think it might be a Y or categories. Okay, it's an S. Okay, so now if I hit it, it should say delete categories. Perfect. And so now we have every single category up here. Now I just have to change these right here. So let's go to delete categories. It's delete categories. So we got the ID, name, cost, which this shouldn't say cost. Let's see, limit, and let me see what I should have said. If we're looking at this, let me refresh. If we're looking at this, and we have name and limit, those are only two. So we only name and limit. So I can delete this. So name and limit. Low battery. Low Bluetooth. Okay. Plug up that. Plug up the keyboard real quick. I need to sit and just charge this thing. I don't like having it plugged in, but I don't have to. Okay. All right. Then we got item, name and limit. So let me go to categories and click this. So yeah, your groceries, the limit. So delete one of these. It shouldn't work yet, but okay. Haven't really set it up to work necessarily. The delete category is not going away. So let's go to budget. See exactly why that is. So is delete category, set is delete category false. So handle delete transactions, set is delete category. Okay, is shown and is delete category. Okay, that is correct. We gotta be able to shut it off. So set is delete category has to get shut off inside of the delete category. So set is delete categories. So S. I think that's what we messed up. See, this is categories here, and on budget it says delete category to Y. So there's our issue right there. So delete category to Y, and then all I really gotta do is say find, and then set is delete. Okay. categories. Place with, even though it would have been maybe it would have been faster to just do it the other way, but it is what it is. Okay. Now if I go to categories, scroll up, delete category. Now if I click something else, it should switch. Yes, so now that works as well. Now let's actually get it to delete these categories. Okay. Okay, so type delete categories, delete this category. If I go to delete transactions, all right, so now I need to go to the context, budget context. So we got add transaction, delete transaction, add category. Now we need delete category. So I'm just gonna take this, copy it, because I want to do that same thing. So I'm just gonna simply copy and paste it here and name this delete category like this, and then change the state dot add categories like this. That should work, I believe. So categories, and let me refresh real quick. That's fine. I'll do it anyway. So go to, let's just delete any one of these. So transportation. Okay, transportation is still there. Something we're not doing correctly. Let me look through the code real quick. So that is my fault. Okay, see, I got transactions right here, so that should be categories. Okay, now let's try it again. Maybe we get some action this time. Don't matter. No, medical is still right there. So that didn't work either. Category, state, filter. Maybe it's this case. So the case probably is wrong. Let's go to delete categories. Yeah, case probably wrong. But that right there, delete category. All right, take number 3. If that don't work, then I may run out of options here. Oh man, okay, let's see what we got. All right, here we go. That worked. So that worked to perfection. So it deleted the category. Everything is good on that end now, so we're looking pretty good. All right, so we have successfully added the ability to not only add transactions, but as well as delete them. So we can delete the transactions, we can add categories, we can also delete these categories. So that's awesome. And it gets updated on this chart. Now the problem is right now that we have is that this chart will not update if I delete a category. Let me see. If I add a transaction, right? Let's say add Walmart transaction. If I add utilities, and let's say 11, it adds the utilities to this chart. But what if I delete that? Same thing, it goes away. Now the categories, on the other hand, okay, I guess it's not connected. Maybe it shouldn't. If I add a new category, let's say I add, oh no, this is Walmart again. I don't think I connected those to this chart. So the chart is not connected to the categories. Okay, but it is connected to all of these. So if I delete, say I delete this Roth RA, it changes this chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, groceries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The different categories are here. Okay. Perfect. All right. So we got everything working as intended so far. Let's go to overview. Latest 3 recent transactions. Your budget based on income, savings, expenses, and how much you have budgeted. hot categories, your network. I need to add a bit of add debts. You have any debts? Watch list, investments. Got these, and that's in this section here, which I can add debts up here at the top, I guess. Yeah, that'll work. Add debts at the top. Okay, can't wait to do a tutorial on this. It's gonna be long, but it'll definitely be worth it, I think. Okay, so next on the list of things to do is why is this remaining 2 3 2 3? Oh, I know why. I added 11. Okay. So you can add items, you can add income, you can add money, add to your income. I add $10. Said 20, but that's because of React is weird. So got that done, got this done. Got to add the ability to save all of this to local storage. I'm not gonna use the backend. I gotta learn some backend. I'll learn some backend at some point. Okay. I guess that's the next thing I'm gonna do, save all those numbers. Right now I just got placeholder text in here. And so trying to make sure that everything kind of makes sense. So, cause I got everything working, net worth. See, I might take monthly earnings off because I could set a timer that kind of goes off every 30 days and it just resets all of this, and then it can save the previous ones in like a folder or something, and then you can go month to month. So have like a clicker or a ticker, like maybe at the top where budget now is, and then you can select the month that you want to look at. So for this month, I had these many transactions, which that's actually a good idea that I can add. That's probably one of the last things I do to actually finish it off. Add something somewhere we can select the month, but that means I would have to add a date to all of these transactions in order to get that something like that to actually function. But that could be what takes this over the top, I think. But ooh, seal error. This right here, that's the error right there. I guess I had to do my same little coding trick that I use in order to get this to only be a certain amount of words. So okay, I think, yeah, that's the longest one that I've seen. Okay, we had to do that too. Okay, got little small details that we gotta fix. Let me check on this. So add a stock. Let's search for AMD. Loading. And then we can add AMD. How many shares we want? 10 shares. So average price of $12.50. Like that. That's what we have. Hit confirm. And there it is. AMD is down here. I guess I should add some space. Can I put 1250 and see how that looks like that? So little small details that I'm noticing that I need to add. You might click up jot it down as a note, something I need to finish. I'm gonna let this load up. Love ClickUp. ClickUp's amazing. Push it down. Work on the investment page, add a bit to the categories. Just did that today, so we can check that off. Rename, add item. Haven't done any add key to each. Yeah, I gotta do that. Let's see. Fix news section. They will say too many words. And I need to add fix budget. No, fix investment sliders. Too much adding. Not enough space in the boxes. Perfect. Okay. I guess we'll work on this first. So the fixed news section. So we'll work on that first. And well, where I'm at right now, that's actually a super easy fix. It's funny because the box is actually the correct size now. Anyway, we're gonna work on this news section first. I only want the first couple of words, so let's see. I can delete these. I think I did it somewhere. Not 100% sure where though. Can't find it. So it has so many words. I know I did this on one of my other projects before. I cut off some of the words. What's this title? Yeah, here we go. Okay. So just like this. I thought I did it somewhere before. I did it here too. So like this, you see how the title's cut off? Probably gonna have to do the same thing. So I just need to use this. So I can cut those off. So in the description, if I paste that here, I need a dot and paste it like this. It should start to cut that. I thought. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. Now it's working. I think I was on the wrong section. Okay, so how many words do I want to show here? Maybe 100 and 200 letters. 200 might be, yeah, maybe 200. That makes everything even. Okay, so I need to do this for all of them. I need to do this for all of them. So we've got overview. Let's go investment. Scroll all the way down. So we'll do 200. Perfect. Okay. So we got that done. So click up and fix new section and works. Let's check. Okay. Let's work on small stuff. Rename add item. So add item. I think I'm just gonna call it add. Maybe. Like here, add item. Because what add how can I be completely descriptive? I don't know. Shout out to the one viewer. But how can I be completely descriptive here? I want this. So this right here, I got, let me full screen this so you can see. So I got this thing here, and if I add item, I can add income, secondary income, long-term savings, short-term savings. So I can add whatever. So 99, and I can add that. So yeah. I'm gonna be completely descriptive here. I don't know. I don't know. Now, I really don't like it that it says add items. I do want to just change that, but I guess it's fine. We'll keep that for now. We'll just keep add items for now, and I guess, and don't be alarmed by all of this for what you see, cause all of this is just placeholder stuff, and it can be changed. What I did was this budget app, just a quick overview. The budget app, it's just about done. Now I just need to have the ability to save this, and all this information needs to be saved. Right now it's just hard coded in the app, but I do want to save it, and I'm gonna save it to local storage. So all of this will be saved. I'm using React Context to have all of these, like all this stuff. React Context has all this inside of it. So it's just a basic app where you'll be able to put in some transactions, put in some categories, be able to save those. And I think what I'm gonna do at the end is add the ability to like switch between months and have it reset every month to 0 and go to the next month. And so that's gonna be the tallest task. I just about got all the simple stuff done. Add transaction, add categories, add your income, your savings, and all that. So I just about got, you got long-term income, long-term savings, short-term savings, primary income, secondary income. So I just about got all the little small stuff done here. And then you can save, you can kind of track your investments. So if you had if you got investments, you can just kind of track them here. So that is what we worked on. So I guess the last thing to do with this, because I like how all this is, we're gonna save this to local storage. Okay, so save React context to local stores. Somebody already got the question figured out. This is kind of exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. 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 So I gotta set it at local stores first. Pretty sure. She said no. See, it's get item. Oh, okay. Set item note string find notes. Okay. Okay. And okay. Don't sound too hard. Go with the straight code. All right. So budget investment. We'll do one at a time. Kind of clean up the space here. Let's go to our budget context. So I want to just take this part here, paste it here, delete this first. Wait a minute. That's the last little line I do want to use fill. I think I'm gonna do each one of these kind of individually. This, and this. That's a lot of local store stuff, but that's okay. Well, do I? Yeah, I did. So let's say budget. And then or you can just initial state. Just save the initial state. So like, so let's say use spec this, and then put initial state in there. All right, and then Okay. All right, that's true. Oh, okay. It did save it like initial, like right off the bat. Okay, that's perfect. Let me delete that. And these from previous projects. So okay. So we got all of these. Huh. Okay. So they are saved. Side local storage. Just off the bat. So I wonder how fast that's gonna update. So so if I use this. I think if I set this, I set this inside this. But you know what? I probably can put that in here. I wonder if I put it way up here. So if I take this, use effect, right, and put it here, I wonder. I don't know if that's gonna work, but okay. All right, that didn't work. I didn't think, but it was like, okay, just put it at the top. So I'll put that up here, which I want the use effect to go at the top. So right, that's what bunch content, consequences, props, state, const total returns. Put it right here. Well, actually, I guess it don't matter really. I guess I'll put it right here. I guess it don't totally matter, but we'll put it right here for now. So const notes. Const local budget set local budget. Oh, I see what they did. I see what they did here. Okay. So here. We kind of make this sideways. So would I not be able to do that? It says React hook you say cannot be called inside a callback. React hook when called in a React function. Component or a all right, trying to get this thing to say local storage, which I got it to stay saved here, but how am I going to be able to initialize this thing? So I see what it's doing. Unless I just need to create my own thing. Let me see. That may work. If that's the case, then I need to put it after the initial state. I need to put it here. And then it's get local budget. Local budget. Set local. Set local budget. state. Initial state. This probably gonna just sit up here somewhere. So I don't think you can. Budget. Call it initial budget state. Yeah, add a little bit more variety. So find, ooh, how much time it gonna work? Find E. I'll change it. I'll leave it like that for now. All right, we're gonna roll out. I'll be back after get off work. I might leave that the same so I don't forget. All right.